Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Harold, and as you can see I do Kodi media player videos, I do appliance repair videos, and I do Harold's Rant, stock market, stuff like that. But anyway, I wanted to introduce you to the page and show you some changes I've made to it. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to the channel and check it out. But anyway, when you go to my channel or anybody else's channel, you want to explore it a little bit and see if you can find what you're looking for. And I've changed mine around a little bit to try to make it easier for you. So if you would go down to this one right here, you're going to see where it says Harold with World TV on Demand, and then you can click on Play All, and that would be on the Kodi box training videos. That will give you how to install Kodi, how to add a source file, how to find add-ons, all that kind of stuff. This one right here is appliance repair. I have had my own appliance repair business for years, and I do appliance repair stuff. And then this one says stock market. So sometimes I'll get on in the morning when the stock market opens around 9 o'clock, 9:30, and do some talking about that. And then Harold's Rants, which is just me talking about different things. Another way you can do it is down here. This is my uploads right here. This will show all the recent uploads. It won't show all the uploads because we got over 1,000 uploads now. Then if you scroll down here, this is Kodi box training videos, how to install source files, add-ons, and all that stuff. And it may be, all these are related to the Kodi media player. So when you search through here, you're going to find a lot of different stuff. And this is only going to show you a limited amount. But like I said, if you go back up here, and right here we got 428 videos. And you can just kind of go through there and see what it is you want. And then coming on down here to the appliance and home repair, you can see where I'm showing some washing machine things here. Clean out your screens for your washer. If you have any issues with your washing machine not working properly, it could be just dirt in the screen holes there. And showing you how to do different things here. The videos aren't that long. I try to keep them short. And that's the video repair add-ons, or add-ons. I'm thinking about Kodi. The appliance repair videos. And then fishing videos. You know, Harold goes fishing for the big mouth bass. Self-explanatory. Stock market. There's that. And then Harold's Rants. And so that will, you know, I kind of separated everything out to try to make it easier for you guys when you go to the channel to find what you're looking for. And I really appreciate you viewing my videos and checking out my channel. If you would, when you click on a video, subscribe to the channel from there. Give me a thumbs up, and I would appreciate it. And if you have any questions when you're looking at a video, just put your comment down below the video, and I get notifications of the comments, and I'll try to answer every one of them. Not that I can, but I try to. I mean, you got over 1,000 videos. Getting comments every day, sometimes it's hard to keep up. So anyway, this is Harold with worldtvondemand.com and youtube.com/Harold Jackson, just like up in the address bar there. And like I said, if you have any questions, shoot them out to me and I'll try to answer them. And I'll have another video for you soon, but I just wanted to show you the new layout for my YouTube channel. You guys have a great day and a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later.